Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Instander on any iOS device, guys. As you can see right over here, I have in my iPhone, and I'm going to show you that how you can do it also, you guys. So before you start the whole process, all you have to do, guys, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with the internet. It will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and have active the mobile data. So if you don't know how to check this, I'm going to show you real quick right now. So you just go to your settings and then scroll it to the general over here, background app refresh again, and over here you have this option Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, so this is it, guys, and then just get back to the home menu, and then all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, and just need to type the name of the website where I find it out, the app, find the APK mods. You enter inside of it, you have a lot of other apps, mods and games inside. You can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, just go and type the name of this website over here. You press in the middle, and then you have the option of install, and then you just need to wait a couple of seconds, and then the installation of the app is going to be done on your iOS device. So this is my video tour for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.